So, what makes a good hiking trail? Is it about well-marked routes? Or something that really tests your navigational skills? Is it about having a clear goal? You know, something you can literally walk towards? Or is it about seeing where the path takes you? Is it shaded, sunny, or something in between? Is it an easy pathway? Or is it something that really pushes you to the limit and even makes you question your motivation to carry on? Is it a jungle, mountains, a walk in the woods, a riverside stroll, or simply a walk down a dusty road with your kids? Is it something that challenges you, either physically or technically? Whew. Is it about hiking alone, or with friends, or family? Or is it about forging your way up the mountainside because only the peak will do? You see, the answer will be different for everyone. The motivation to get up and get out. But for me, it's about all those things. It's about getting out, it's about being active, it's about finding adventure. And adventure can come from anywhere. Whether it's picking up rocks with your kids on the road, walking the dogs, being high up on a mountain peak, or yes, simply just sitting around the fire, talking about the day you've had. So what makes a good hiking trail?